I did under here,
Yes.
so that it wouldn't escape. Now it was initially under a basket, and but we can't find it now. We can attack. We can come from the outside if you like.
That's all right. We'll just go in there. I'll just go in. The lights are on in there.
Okay. And so the young man from Harry's Pest Control feels it might be under the laundry now.
Okay. I'll cut that for you.
Okay, make sure it's not in here.
It's not there.
So it must be behind the washing machine. There. Start putting everything off the... Oh, there it is. I got it. I got him. No worries. You can come in now, he's safe. I've got him.
Oh, you got it, have you?
Yeah.
How'd you go?
Oh, well, that's him there.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, that was nice. Did you get that?
So is that a tiger?
Yeah, that's a tiger snake, yeah.
Oh, I'm glad I called you then.
Yep.
I was smart to call you.
You're right, yeah?
Yeah, how are you, Barry?
Oh, yeah, good.
Beautiful.
Okay. Yeah, he's a nice little snake. You just,
Yeah. That's about right, nearly 2 feet, 1.5.
Yep.
Still enough to give you a nasty strike.
Oh, yeah, no, he'd ruin your day if he got you.
Beautiful. At least he's going to a better place.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to take him and let him go now. Put that out of your way.
Take the defence mechanisms away.
No worries.
Oh, too easy.
He would have come in the door, I suppose. Yeah, how you going, mate?
Good, mate, yourself.
Here he goes. Here he goes. We'll just release him. I'm not going to muck around with him. Oh, he's going back into the bag. He likes the bag. There you go, my friend. Can you still see him? There we go. There it is.
If we can.